Are you or have you been a smoker? Look, this is called the nicotine killer. It's amazing. We have all developed bad habits at some point in our lives. Some of us might go to bed late, others used to eat unhealthy food and so on. However, some habits are worse than others. One of them is smoking, that is smoking cigarettes or consuming nicotine in any of its forms. Nicotine is staying in our lungs, gradually destroying them. That is why, even if we leave the bad habit, it is difficult to undo the sequelae we have left. But this does not mean that it is impossible to regain the health of our lungs. Here's a totally natural way to cleanse the lungs once and for all. Ingredients: orange juice 1 unit. Cream of tartar powder 1 tablespoon. Instructions: preparing this remedy is as simple as you can imagine. The only thing we must do is mix both ingredients and take it every day in fasting for 1 week. Cream of tartar is easily found in the pastry shop because it is used to create delicious desserts. Other remedies to clean the lungs: lemon is a powerful purifier of organisms, especially the lungs. Drinking a glass of water with the juice of 2 lemons fasting will achieve this goal. In addition, it is very good to help us digest the alkaline foods we eat. On the other hand, we have the carrot juice. A glass of this substance every day at mid-morning will help us to reduce the degree of acidity in the blood. After lunch, we can make a rich juice of spinach, parsley, carrots and celery. This drink possesses high levels of potassium, reason why it will be able to act like purifying agent of the organism. For the snack, we can prepare a juice of 2 grapefruit and take it immediately. Since its flavor is quite strong, we recommend mixing it with enough water. It will be responsible for detoxifying your lungs and other organs of the body. To achieve these effects, it is recommended to take it without adding sugar.